Good morning, it's Ray Mills, your Excel and VBA craftsman. This morning I'd like to show you a little ditty that I came up that I call a dynamic menu. So it uses buttons, and let me invoke it just by running it from here. My recording software doesn't like Control M or anything, so let's go. So let's run it. And you'll see how it painted nicely, and it will these events are clickable, right? So each one of these are buttons, and as you'll see when we choose another event, it's actually pretty slick, and it will show. Of course, we could do this and change the appearance and play with it, but this gives you the concept. So, like I said, these are clickable events. So if we hit that, you'll see the button choice for A was clicked and the event has fired. So you could load your code behind any one of these buttons and, have it giving choices by category or whatever. So the first button is not a clickable event, with the exception, meaning this column, with the exception of quit, which makes it all go away, right? So again, just to run through it one more time. Okay, you see the menu appears. You could then it could relate to something that you're launching, some bigger application. And I think this makes it a little much neater than a static set of buttons just sitting there on the page. This really shows some ability, right? So it will be available on my website in a few days. I've actually posted up the video, meaning that I'll put the code out there, or you can shoot me a note from my website and I'll send it to you. So hope you enjoyed it, and thanks very much.